not. Tickle ain't gonna get out. And no way, too. So, guys, the baby chicken saw.
Maybe this way might confuse them.
My God, I can't believe the baby chickens are done hatching.
It looks like she's laying on babies.
Yeah, you can't really see anything this way either. But I got a peek of some. Okay.
Are they what color?
With black stripe. So I don't know what that looks like when it gets older.
Oh my God. I can't believe they're done hatching now.
I know. I knew it was getting close.
They're like mine.
Can you see anything?
No, I know. I cannot see anything.
Babies under there.
Looks like she laid like a whole generation.
But she's so fat, so that means lots of them.
I don't think she will attack us.
No, I don't think so either. I'm scared their little feet are gonna get caught. I need to go get this thing. Let me move this up.
I can hear them.
Yep.
Yep, that's definitely them.
Look, one still has eggs. So they're not through hatching. They're just now hatching.
There's one.
Maybe more than one, but I could see the eggs lifted up. If you pet her, she might lift up a little.
Try putting her down.
Why?
I meant back here.
I don't.
Oh.
Yeah, back here you can. If she lifts it up, then you can see the eggs. There you go.
Ow. Oh, that
Sorry, baby.
hurts.
Be careful, yeah.
I'm scared she might.
No, I don't think she will. Just pet her. Pat down by her butt, and she might lift up some. Pat down by her butt.
I
Yeah.
don't know.
Lift her up a little bit.
I'm scared she might.
Okay, well then don't lift her.
Can I do it? Can I do it?
Yeah.
Give it a try.
Be careful.
Ooh.
What if I pet her from right here? Yeah, pet her by her butt.
Yeah, she had one. She had one baby at least. Maybe we
I see its beak. I saw its
see a
beak.
little beak?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I saw its beak. I saw its beak. If you guys saw that, I saw its beak.
I see it sticking out of there. See right there where your fingers are. You see the beak? Right there. You see it? Right there.
Oh.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Isn't that cute?
There it is.
Oh,
No.
Let's leave him alone. Yeah, let's leave her alone. She's lifting up. Wait, yeah.
There's two.
Let me see. Can I see?
There might be more
No,
than
I want to see.
It's the baby one.
They're itty bitty. Let me see.
Wait, I want to.
Yeah, I think we should leave her alone.
You don't have to be so cute.
She's got two.
Yeah. That's what Ali said. And there's more babies in there.
So pretty. Look,
I
it's
know.
so pretty.
How much eggs there are?
Mama. Oh.
And then I saw a little black one.
You did?
I think there's three.
Okay, I think we're disturbing her. Let's leave her alone because they just started hatching.
Well, this is part one of them hatching.
Two small
So
small
you're so hot. Honestly. Alright, you guys, we're gonna make this video a little bit longer. I'm gonna go over that. See that we've been digging. Some I used. You guys can see that. I've been digging. I have been digging. I absolutely have been digging. I was using that shovel. I did that over there. And my mom, I guess when I was yeah. So that's something good. Okay. Now let's go inside, because we're doing some big progress. Yeah, you guys, my dad's almost finished with the roofs. Jesus, that lizard. That lizard's gone. Alright, so, yeah. We're gonna be making this one roof, so then, yeah. Okay, that one roof, yeah, I finished all that. So you already know, I finished that. And, that's why there was a freaking spider. Now there isn't. So, yeah, so bye. Peace. Finally, the eggs are here. About time.